Hi, Michelle O'Neill here, founder and CEO of Mastering Your Monday LLC. And I just wanted to share with you that for a limited time, we will be conducting boot camps on the lifestyle enrichment skill of defining and creating healthy boundaries. So I believe that that is so important to mastering your Monday that I wanted to saturate the community with some specific tools that we as women can take home and use for mastering the balance and control that we desire in life. You know, did you know that so many of the issues that we find ourselves entangled in life are brought on by the lack of boundaries? And I'm talking about healthy boundaries. So our next on-site boot camps in the local area are at the times and dates that you see listed below. So take the time to register because seating is limited, and I want to make sure that I save a seat and worksheet just for you. I am looking forward to seeing you and meeting you there. But until then, in the meantime, I want you to remember that with the right focus, you are one step closer to mastering your Monday. Take care.